Have you ever opened CapCut and closed it immediately because it looked confusing? This video is for you. Today, I am going to be breaking down step by step on what each tool means, what to click, and how to edit a simple video. Welcome to my channel. Did you miss me, guys? Because I missed you. I create content to help beginners get better at content creation, editing, and social media management. And if that's your vibe, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get right into it. So this is going to be part one, just the basic. No complicated edit, no stress. So the first thing you want to do is open CapCut. Once you open it, you will see new project. This is where you start any edit. Import your video, click on new project and select the video you want to edit. Then click add at the bottom. Now, that's where a lot of beginners get confused, but don't worry, I will explain everything. This section at the bottom is called your timeline. This is where your video lives. Everything you edit happens here. At the top is your preview screen. This is where you watch your video. You can press play here to watch what you are editing. Now let's do the most important thing. Toolbar. At the bottom, you will see different tools like edit, audio, text. I will go through them one by one. Audio is where you add music or sound effects. These are some of the sound effects like glitter, typing, swoosh. The next one is text. Text is where you add words to your video, caption, titles, anything. We have the fonts. We have different type of fonts. You can just pick whatever suits what you are trying to achieve. Then we also have styles. You can add colors here, choose how you want it to look like. Then we have effects, as you can see on the screen. We have animation. How do you want it to look like? Do you want it to jump in? Do you want it to zoom in? So whatever suits what you're trying to look for. Then overlay. This is also part of the toolbar. Let's try to add an overlay to this video. Maybe you want to talk and still like show something to the audience. This is where you make all that happen. As you can see, you set it to your preferred length or however you desire it to be. Effect. Effect is for visual, but as a beginner, don't rush into this yet. And we have aspect ratio. If the video is for TikTok, YouTube, or this is where you set it, IG, Facebook, this is where you set it. You have different aspect ratios. Animation. Animation is used to add dynamics motion to videos, text, and overlay. Key uses include adding in, out, combo transition to clips. Transition helps your video flow smoothly, but again, keep it simple. Always play your video after editing to make sure everything looks clean. Once you're done, click export at the top, choose your quality and save your video. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I am going to see you in my next video. Bye.